What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Coinbase Global with the ticker symbol COIN. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So here we have Coinbase Global. It's right at the top side of this range pattern. You can see the range pattern has a high of about 265 or the mid 260s, and then support right around the 150. So it's about a 100-point range from top to bottom. It's about 100 points. So right now we're at the top side of the range, which normally acts as resistance, which we have been seeing for the past several weeks. However, if you look at the clues on the chart, it's telling me that we could potentially break out of the range highs. And let's go over the details. Well, you can see that price is staying above the EMA, which is a good sign after a correction. And we're still maintaining this angle of ascent, which is also another good sign. Also, we have one leg down right here. This was the second leg down. And bears may not be able to reach the measurement target, which shows signs of weakness. If bears were able to make a large or this size of a leg down and they're unable to make it again, what does that tell you? In the more near-term price action, they aren't as strong as they once were, which means that the bulls can come in the market and drive it up. So since we're not seeing a harsh rejection from the range highs, and since we're maintaining bullish indicators, there's a good chance we do see a breakout higher, especially with Bitcoin pushing up higher near all-time highs as well. So it looks like this is also setting up for higher prices. And if it wasn't even for Bitcoin, if you don't know anything about Bitcoin, you would still look at this chart and say, hey, there's something up with it. It looks like it's trying to break out higher. And with Bitcoin breaking out higher, that just solidifies that there's a good chance that it does move up higher. Is it guaranteed? Is it that type of world where everything is just mathematically certain in the markets? No, it's not, but there's a high probability we do see a move up higher. If somehow we do see a breakdown, I don't think it would last long. It looks like it would just be a short trap for higher prices. So that's what I see on the daily chart for Coinbase. Coinbase is the number 9th ranked Bitcoin treasury company. And for this year, they just got back what they sold in 2024. So they kind of just net even for the past couple of years or even 3 years now. So it's kind of a sad story for Coinbase. I feel like they could have been a high performer like MicroStrategy or MetaPlanet, but they're not. They're still kind of trading near their 2021 prices, and I feel like they had a missed opportunity there. So it's not going to be probably a high flyer stock like MetaPlanet or MicroStrategy, or maybe even GameStop. Who knows? But as right now, it's kind of just trading closer towards I would say, a more of a mining company than like a trending type of stock. So let's take a look at the weekly chart. Here's a look at the weekly chart. It looks like a big head and shoulders pattern, a shoulder here, a head, and another shoulder. But again, you can't take things in isolation. You have to look at the entire chart. We've been moving up for a while now, and it looks like there is a long-term measurement target as well. One leg up right here, second leg up, targeting right around the 466 levels. So bullish bulls have an incentive to drive up the price to reach their target. We have still an uptrend in play. We have crypto bull market still in place. So I don't think this head and shoulders will actually play out as a head and shoulders. We never know, but I think it's a low probability, especially because we had a harsh drop and it looks like we had strong buying develop as well off of that level. So overall, seeing consolidation at a resistance level is a good sign for higher prices. This looks like a potential bull flag. We had a pole, a flag, and it looks like it can potentially break out the same amount as the pole. So overall, things are looking good in the short term and long term for Coinbase. Let's see how things develop, though. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.